boxing and painting. So he started practicing for the boxing. In the morning, he used to go for run and improve his stamina. And in the evening, and then he used to do exercises, various exercises to build his muscles, and then do punching practice. And then from there, gentlemen, he used to go for mock out. And then he went to the Bangalore. That is last year went to Bangalore by train, and there he played 2 bouts and won the match. And then he won the gold medal. And from there he was motivated by the coach.
Friends, I have perceived the male of age 20 in positive mood, who seems to be engaged in tracking. Abhijit was a very adventurous person. He successfully completed his second year examination, and he decided to go on an adventure. He discussed with friends and decided to go on a trekking trip to Bharatpur. They discussed with their parents and planned the trip as well as the schedule. They arranged their kits, they arranged their music systems, and the essentials what they required. He get the reservation done and joyfully reached the site. With full zeal, he was engaged in trekking. In the midway, they encountered with a fire in nearby the village. On reaching there, they found the haystack was on fire. They alarm everyone, arrange the sand and water, and get control over it. Afterwards, they continued their trekking, returned home safely, and engaged in the study. Thank you.
Good evening to all friends. The rest of my story as follows. According to me, I conclude my story. The character is one. He is at the age of 18, and the mood of my story is positive, and the theme of my story is responsible student. Friends, Christian was doing graduation from BSc first from government college Mundrum. His whole family income was based on agriculture. His father was farmer, so as his whole family income was based on agriculture, he used to work daily, morning and evening in his field, and also help his parents. One day, when he was going to his field, he found that one farmer was burning the husk, and he gave them. He ran and control over the husk, and he gave them proper guidelines that it creates a pollution and it also harms our environment, and make them and get directed them to make a organic manure, so that we can come towards organic farming and our land will become fertile. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. I have identified a male character of 17 and mood is neutral. And the theme of my story is preparation. Gentlemen, Vikas is a bright student of class 12 of MRPS school Sikar. And he is also a good athlete and a good kabaddi player. He used to practice daily early in the morning. One day his school authority told the students about school sports meets. He was selected to represent his house in 100 meter athletics. He started practice hard and used to run very fast to improve his speed. When the school sports meet organized, he won the gold medal in 100 meter sprinting and made his house feel proud. Thank you, gentlemen.
Good evening, friends. The character of my story is Mohit Prasad, age 18, mood sex male, and the theme of the story is to Goa. Mohit is a smart and adventurous student of Rashtriya University, Belgaum, presently studying class 12. After completing his exams, he, along with his classmates, planned a trip to Goa. After taking permission from AOM, he collected money from his friends and started planning for the things. He booked the tickets, and on final day, they went to Goa Express to Goa. On arriving there, they booked a traveller and started travelling in there. The guide in the traveller instructed them about the tourist places and told them the stories about it. They enjoyed very much in the Goa and enjoyed water bath the most. After that, they captured all those memories in camera, and soon after coming back, they rejoiced the memories of the.
Well, friends, according to my perception, I had seen one character. The age of my center character is 19 years old and the mood is positive. Hardeep was a boxer of his school. One day, his PTI called him and told him about the boxing competition. He immediately given his name and goes to his house and selected the candidate for boxing. He weighted the candidate, distributed the category and given those names to the PTI officer. He, along with his team, practice hard daily in the morning and the evening. He exercise. He does different type of exercise to increase their stamina. Hardeep made his team to give a demo bout so that they can improve well. On the day of competition, Hardeep won gold and his team come up with the best boxing trophy. Hardeep later given the movie trip to his team.
Good evening, gentlemen. I have identified one character who is male at the age of 18 years, and the mood of story of my is positive, and the theme of my story is boxing competition. Navneet was studying in Rashtriya Mid School, Belgaum. Being good in studies and sports, he was appointed as the house captain of Qatar House. One day, school captain told him about the in-house boxing competition. So Navneet took the initiative and selected the boys for the competition. He also took the weight category list from the PTI. Every day he used to take the cadets for a run in early morning, and then after that they used to come to the house and practice for boxing. And every day he used to motivate the cadet. On the day of competition, all of the cadets gave their best and lifted the trophy. And Navneet was also awarded as the best boxer. Navneet felt very happy and gave the party to cadets.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, what I can see from the story, there is one character and the age of the character is 18. Vivek Singh is very hardworking and courageous cadet of Rashtriya Middle School. He is very good in sport and study. After completing 11th class, he went for summer vacation. He used to help his father in the field and also in the feeding the animal. He also helped his sister in the household activity. One day, while he was going to the field, he find that the smoke is coming from the sugarcane field. He raised the alarm, called the villagers, and along with them, douse the fire. Every villager appreciated him and thanked him. His father also felt proud. After spending his summer vacation, he went back to his school happy and started working hard for his study.
Ladies and gentlemen, according to me, in the story there are one character who is success male and the mood is overall positive. The theme of my story is journey, a train journey. Ranjit Singh is now 18 years old student, and now he completed his studies Rama Hindi Medium College, and he will never go any outside area, and he is very intelligent, very sincere and very responsible person, and he will never go for any outside area. So once he was go for Allahabad for his exam, so he would go by train, and in train he saw many new things, new fields and many new machines and branded buildings. And at there he gave his exam, and after giving exam he will come back by train, and he enjoyed his traveling very much. Thank you.
The woman from picture I perceived one character. His age is 23, mood is positive, and sex is male. And the action is dangerously crossing the railway track. Remember, he was pursuing his graduation from Punjab University, Chandigarh. He was a physics lover and he used to work out daily. So one day when he was coming back to the gym, he saw that people, including old, young children, are crossing the railway track dangerously. He discussed this matter with his professor, and luckily the professor was a good friend of the railway officer. Soon this matter was informed to the high official in the government, and the government approved the idea of building a flyover bridge over the track, which will resulting into the safe level crossing by the people of the area. Soon the flyover was built over the area, and the life of the people was a bit comfortable after the building of flyover. Thank you.
Thanks.